Okay, I am 61 years old and I have tried every skin care product there is out there. When I started using this, I started noticing a change. One, my skin was retaining softness and moisture. You know, it's kind of like dewy. Every time I touched it, it almost felt like, you know, you're down in Florida, you know how your skin's like dewy? I'm like, this is awesome. And then with the serum, I really began, I could visually see a change happening. And, you know, we use a lot of skincares and can you really kind of sit just on top of your skin? But the nerve 2 in this, the combination, the scent, the effectiveness, this has become my skincare line. You know, it's one of those things you never believe it till you try it. And so I got it and the packaging intrigued me. I knew about it. I was like, I'm actually gonna use this stuff. It actually works. For me, at my age, skincare is super important. And you know, you can get a lot of skincare products that have a lot of chemicals in it and things that aren't good for you. This actually has stuff in it that's good for you. And I've seen it change my skin. And that's what I love about it. We all want to have nice skin, right? Every single one of us. And I'm really impressed with this skincare line and I'm having fun with it. And you know, beauty is inside and out, right? And I learned watching with the Pro Tandem and the beauty and the strength that can give you from the inside. But you know, what about the outside where we get assaults and sun and wind and all of that, dry climates, mountain climates, every bit of it is just as important. So this just, for me, made LifeVantage and Pro Tandem, it is beauty from the inside and out.